selective decryption. So these interceptors can be targeted to specific service accounts or groups of service accounts. So let's assume that app B should get access to email but not last name. So we're going to create a new decryption interceptor. We'll take a look at that. And notice we've scoped it to app B. And notice also we've only specified that app B can decrypt the email field. Okay, so app B is going to consume through the gateway, and we see last name is still encrypted, but email has been decrypted. And next, let's assume that all applications in the group analytics should get access to last name, but not the email. Again, we'll look at the interceptor, and we see the scope is on a group of applications that we've called analytics, and that they can decrypt the last name. And we're going to consume, and we're going to consume using the app C credential. And we see that email here is encrypted and last name has been decrypted. This effectively gives us column level security through gateway.